Well, and you're having fun. That's the cool thing about it.
How many of these derbies were like the next day? You know what I mean?
Most of them, we watch you. It's most of them.
Morris, New York.
Yeah.
San Filippo.
Yep.
That was the most fun I had so far this year.
That's right.
Really, that's great.
So,
Thank you.
And to almost win it, that was incredible to go out there against all them old iron cars with a stock Vic. And it just goes to prove people that don't have money that you can go out and build a car and be competitive and have a lot of fun.
You came down to me and my good friend Joe Backus, one of my helpers, and he had a great time with you.
Well, I seen that name on the side of the car, and I had to go for it.
We figured. You weren't the only one. You know, but he said, too, he's like, man, Ron really had me a lot of times. You were beating on him, you know, and he had a great time.
Well, I thought I had it won, and I guess it was my fault for backing away or not driving away so he couldn't get at me with no steering. But
it was a fun derby, live and learn, you know.
I didn't care just to be there, to take the green flag, and to get down to the end. It was so much fun.
Thank you for coming, by the way.
I'll be there next year.
Thank you, sir.
And I will donate even 2 helmets next year.
Thank you.
So.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
No problem.
That's cool.
Cool.
All right, so right here, a pacer, right?
All right, well, I'm going to go and watch the show.
Okay.
You're out of here?
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Always good to see you.
Yep.
So we got like a Regal, a Pacer. I think this is a Pinto or a Mustang too.
Mustang, yep. And aluminum.
So Brandon Newman did not get his car out, 14 JDCC, that's the black and purple cars. And we see the silver cars pulling out there, that is the Team Bash boys.
We got a lot of people watching at home for sure.
Was that a Fox body Mustang? No kidding.
Yeah. Yep.
The 3 and 4, James Bradshaw in the number 72. That turned out for what? That's the AMC. Case Thompson, Chad Church in the double XL. Tires on the front. Tires are huge on that AMC.
Yeah, they are.
The tires are big. Oh, man. That 72 is screaming. Sparks pouring out of the passenger side floor on the turn number 1 entry. Casey Thompson, number 72, got tagged against the firm hard. That's James Bradshaw, almost too high to get at those tires, and Josh Gordon's number 25. That is the Explorer out there. Again, this is the compact division. I couldn't believe when I saw the Explorer pull out. Joe starting to buck a little bit on the 33, but turned out for what? And Casey Thompson. Those are the black and silver cars that barreled into the number 72. We just lost the number 6 of Russell Shaw. Goes down as well, so the collateral damage of taking out Bradshaw resulted in the loss of Shaw and Duff. So now it's 2-on-2. Heads up derby from here on out. You know, in all my time in Demolition Derby, I don't think I've ever seen an Explorer go nose-to-nose with a Pacer. I know. And that's it. That thing hasn't moved one bit. Not once. All right, problem developing now. The double XL. Idle at the top of the track. Bad shirt. Tiger is fire. Flag and blue car. 25 of Gordon just going back and forth with that number 30. The turn down for one entry, Casey Thompson. And that is allowing Sawyer, the 13, to just pick a shot. For a second, we were back to being one-on-one, even numbers, as the number 13 of Sawyer had stalled it. He was able to get it refired now, right after the front wheel on that number 14. Casey Thompson. Here comes the cavalry. Oh. Momentarily hung together the number 14 of Thompson and the 25 of Gordon. The number 13 of Sawyer comes and breaks them up. Miller's starting to go on the number 14 in the back. Gordon doing a great job, staying very busy out there. And that Explorer, and I tell you, that Fox body Mustang under Sawyer is just plain nasty. And the nose holds up great on that number 13. And they're really starting to get after the back of that AMC now. But there's no quit in the number 14. Thompson out there battling for all he's worth. Look at all the steam now being pushed out from the number 13 of Sawyer. The 25, he doesn't miss a beat. That's a shot right here. Going full track of the 25. And it's Mississippi. He said that's enough.
That's awesome.
He said that's enough.
That's how you finish a derby. That's how you finish.
And this for being compact motors, that 72, that Mustang,
That's a
I'm
runner.
telling you what,
That's a runner.
that thing was making your ears hurt out here.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I don't think that Explorer's budged one bit.
That was nasty in the
Oh
front.
yeah, nasty. They definitely turned that pacer inside out. There's no doubt about that.
Ben, how would you like to get a Chrysler wagon for the Extreme Run? I'm working on it. Jamie Frost is trying to hook us up right now. He's got a buddy that's got a Chrysler wagon, 66 Chrysler wagon. It's like
66?
That's the answer.
There's one out here for sale.
Maybe that's the one he's talking about.
There was one out on the trailer for sale out front.
No shit.
Yeah. It's an older one like the one Bolton had there built.
I didn't see it.
The one Bolton built?
Dan Bolton.
Dan Bolton?
Oh, that one? Yeah.
Yeah, it's like around the same year he
Oh,
had.
is that-
Yeah.
I love those.
That was a fuselage body, right?
Square body,
Oh, was it?
not the round. 69's the round body.
Hey, you never know. Maybe put an insult in it.
If I get imagine us in a Chrysler wagon. Oh my God, that's the answer.
With an insult.
That's the real answer.
They
You,
loud?
you think an IMSA will get through Tuck here? Negative. Negative.
Thinking no, but
It would be cool. We ain't gonna go backwards with it anyway.
gotta try.
Just junk a Chrysler wagon with its back straight on
Oh,
it.
yeah.
Yeah, just piss people off.
Never been to tailgate.
That'd be awesome. That'd be awesome.
Got some info coming in from Nate Hull. The youth class should be a lot of fun tonight. Brian Brown is going to be bringing one of the WFO cars out. They had to cut the plates off it for the youth class. Brian Brown is Mike Brown's boy. Youth class.
Youth class?
In youth class.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Wow.
Hey, I don't know if you guys saw it or not, but Peggy from Bent Tree Farms says she'll help sponsor the run in
I
March.
saw that. Thank you. Ben, your mom's the greatest.
Oh yeah. She already has. She already
Your mom's
has.
the greatest.
Yeah, my mom and my sister pretty much put some sponsorship together, so
It's very cool.
Got to thank them. Big
Thank you.
bunch.
Last group is going to be 4-on-4. Team SAF, Jeremiah